Good morning. We can't do anything without really looking at our little dollar index, and it is looking to go lower. I mean, as I said last week, it tried to break up over this area here, 77, 97.50. You can see it over there, just in front of that 61.8. But if you drew the line across, you can see this is what captured it really on the top side, and we've done nothing but trade lower. Now this is the weekly chart. We've just really in the last 2 weeks started to move below the zero line on the rate of change. We are still pointing lower on the RSI, and we're lower on the stochastics. These are slower moving than the dailies, obviously. We are below the 200, the 21 and the 9 week period moving averages. And because of this, I really do think that the market has got a bit of a problem on its hands, and that should, in theory, make the euro trade higher. It should make all currencies trade higher. So I think at the moment we know we've got this top on the euro at 14.25 to 14.5. But I do think if we start to take out the low of last week, which was 95.37, then we're going to come back to within this band here. And that would push the euro up to about 15.5, 15.75, possibly 16. So just be very careful. Look at the longer term charts for the dollar index, because they're the ones that are showing you this topping formation here. Now, triple tops are rare in a market. I always say doubles hold, triples rarely do. Now, when the market triple tops, as this has done, in front of the 61.8, it really is a weak signal. Okay, so be very, very careful. I think the dollar is still within its downtrend. This, to me, has been a little bit of a blip. So let's have a look at the daily and see what else we can see on the shorter time frame. There, quite clearly, you can see the not only triple top, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times we tried. Okay, that's a lot. And if I put it on the 4 hourly, you'd see it even more. That's a lot to take on. Now, what it's doing is it's going in steps. So it's gone down, it's broke through this 96.55 area. The moving averages have acted as excellent resistance all the way through, you know, especially the 21, which is why I use the 21. It really is a good indication. Now, you can see that the 9-day, the price is below. You'll see the 55-day crossing the 21-day, which is, again, is a very, very weak signal. Let's see what we do at, I said last week's lows of 95.37. Personally, I think we go lower. I think this step is about to break, and that we head down to 94.98, and I can even see it down to 94.28 with our 200-day moving average coming in at 94.50. So that's where I think we're going to be heading for, that 94.50, 94.28 area. Anyway, good luck. And unless this breaks 96.55, you are going to be selling into strength. Catch you tomorrow.